Witness testimony continues today in the trial for suspended East Cleveland Mayor Brandon King. King faces a dozen felony and misdemeanor charges, including theft in office and having an unlawful interest in a public contract.
Danielle Wiggins is monitoring the court proceedings today. She's in the studio with us now. So, Danielle, interestingly, I understand King is not the only defendant in the courtroom. Is that right?
Yes, that is correct. Former East Cleveland Councilman Ernest Smith is a co-defendant in the case. He faces accusations of alleged theft and misuse of credit cards. Authorities say King illegally gave Smith a city vehicle and provided him with 2 gas cards, which were used to buy more than $6,000 worth of fuel. Before the court broke for lunch, testimony centered on a more than $14,000 payment City Council refused to allocate to a company King owned. That company rented out space to the city's domestic violence program. There was also testimony from the former deputy clerk of council there about Smith's use of a city vehicle that elicited a fiery response from Smith's lawyer, Michael Lisk.
I know I described 2, but there was another one. It looks like a Grand Prix-ish type of car, and that's the one when he was on the news for the strippers, and they said he drove it to Detroit. That was that.
Judge, that's completely unresponsive. And can we have a sidebar, please? You just had to throw that in there, didn't you? He did not ask you a thing about that.
Well, the attorney later apologized to the witness and jury for his outbursts, and both King and Smith have pleaded not guilty. And Christy, coming up at 5, a former East Cleveland mayor takes the witness stand. What he has to say in this case.
Wow, got pretty dicey in there. All right, Danielle, glad you're on it. Thank you so much.